Oh, okay, so I'm not a carpenter in any kind of sense of the word, okay? But Gunner has grown, and his dog bowl is still on the floor. So we don't like our dogs craning their necks to eat, okay? So I'm building him a dog bowl stand. It was pretty simple, all right? I brought a bowl out, traced around it, and then not a dog bowl, but a bowl that was a fraction of the size smaller than his dog bowl. Okay, so really quick.
Gunner, you getting a new bowl?
This
stand.
is his dog bowl. Okay, and I found something that is a fraction of the size smaller, so that when I cut, it'll still sit on the lip of whatever I put it in. Okay, because if you trace on the outside of this, it's just gonna fall through. All right, and then so I made a little circle in the wood, and then I used my saw to go around and make a circle. And I just cut out a disc around, okay? And now I'm just building the legs for this thing. So what I did was I measured 9 inches from the floor. What? Oh. What's up, Bubba? You want attention? I know. I love you too. I cut up 9 inches from the floor, and I made 9-inch legs, okay? And I put a bead of wood glue. So what I'll do is I'll put a bead of wood glue here, and then I'll set one like this, because these are going to go in the corners, okay? So it'll look somewhat like this, and then like this, okay? And that will be his stand. I keep it simple. So then I'll paint it once it's all done, and then he'll have a stand where he's not craning his neck to eat. So what I did was I ran a bead of glue on here. I put a C-clamp on to hold it tight, and then I'm just gonna put a couple of nails, one on each end, and then let it sit. So I've got one leg already set. So this one's done. Got a couple of nails in there. I'll probably drive another nail, but I don't know. So then when they're all dry and ready to go, I'm gonna mount this on top. I'll glue them, then I'll drive nails through that, and that'll be his dog stand. Simple. And less than $9.3 million at the local pet store. Although I don't mind spending that, but I'm out here anyway, why not, okay? Excuse the sweat, it's a little hot. We're in Georgia, okay? And it gets hot. So, we come back, you'll see, I'll have my legs already ready, and then we'll be mounting this on top, and I'll be done. And all of what? Maybe an hour and a half of work, maybe? And my wife was running around trying to, because I came out and started, because I said, I'm gonna build this thing for Gunner. And she's like, wait, let me go get the camera. And then before she went and got the camera, I just started. So I'm sorry I got ahead of you, but it's real simple. Just use your brain, use your tools, and you should be able to get it done, okay? So here, I'm just gonna finish these legs off, and we'll be mounting this thing in no time. Hope he likes it.